Moving on to drug-related matters now, a public event meant to demonstrate transparency and accountability in the fight against illicit drug trafficking and consumption has plunged the Drug Law Enforcement Agency of the Gambia into controversy. The symbolic burning of seized narcotics at Cape Point, Bakau on November 21st has been overshadowed by allegations that blocks of cocaine were missing from the hall meant for destruction. More in this report.
The event, attended by government officials, diplomats, and other dignitaries, was designed to showcase the league's commitment to a drug-free Gambia. During the exercise, the league director Demba Cisse emphasized the importance of public accountability in handling and disposal of seized drugs. However, the aftermath has been anything but reassuring.
The exercise is aimed at demonstrating, as the PRO says just a few minutes ago, demonstrating public confidence and accountability as well as transparency in the handling of drugs from the point of arrest to today to the point of destruction. The league management at all times has instituted robust and highly secured mechanism of custody of chain of all the drugs that we confiscate from traffickers.
Shortly after the elaborate public exercise, allegations of missing cocaine blocks started flying around. The sheer magnitude of these allegations has galvanized the Interior Ministry into instructing the Gambia's police chief to spearhead an investigation in order to get to the bottom of the matter. Prior to the embarrassing development, allegations of missing narcotics had been leveled against not only narcotic officers but also an officer of the court. In October of this year, the Attorney General's Chamber and Ministry of Justice indicted Magistrate Ibrahim Janko Koli of the Kanifi Magistrate Court in connection with alleged disappearance of cocaine blocks that were in the custody of the court. Koli, Ridwan, Osman, and Mariama Janki were slammed with 5 criminal charges in connection to the missing cocaine. Meanwhile, the Minister of Interior said it is alarmed and concerned over the allegation of the missing cocaine blocks and consequently instructed the Gambia Police Force to launch a comprehensive and thorough investigation into the reports of missing cocaine, which emerged immediately after the public drugs destruction exercise just over a week ago. In a press release issued mid this week, the Minister of Interior said it condemned any action or omissions that could undermine public trust, stressing that the government has adopted a policy against what is called drug-related misconduct. The investigation will aim to uncover the truth behind the claims, identify those responsible, and ensure justice is served. The ministry has called on the public to cooperate by providing any relevant information. The annual drugs destruction exercise is a cornerstone of the league's anti-drugs efforts, symbolizing a commitment to protecting Gambian youth from the devastating effects of substance abuse. Yet, these allegations threaten to erode confidence in the agency's operations and the government's broader fight against drugs. As many Gambians keenly anticipate the investigation to unfold, they are left questioning the integrity of the very system meant to safeguard their communities from the debilitating effects of narcotics. The ministry has vowed to take decisive action to restore trust and ensure that truth prevails in this investigation. The question that now arises is, will heads really rule? For Star TV, this is Omar Job.